quality of service classes in Kubernetes are used to categorize pods based on how their resource needs are configured. When you set resource requests and limits for CPU and memory, Kubernetes uses these to determine the pod's priority when scheduling and during resource contention. Understanding these classes helps in managing cluster resources effectively. Pods are classified into different quality of service classes depending on how their CPU and memory requests and limits are specified. Requests indicate the minimum resources guaranteed for the pod, while limits define the maximum it is allowed to use. Configuring these properly affects how Kubernetes prioritizes pods and handles evictions when resources are scarce. The guaranteed class is the highest priority quality of service class. A pod is assigned to this class only if all its CPU and memory requests exactly match its limits. This means the pod is guaranteed the resources it requests and cannot exceed these limits. Pods in this class are least likely to be evicted during times of resource pressure, ensuring reliable performance. The Burstable class applies to pods whose resource requests are lower than their limits for one or more resources, such as CPU or memory. This allows the pod to use more resources than requested if available, but guarantees less than its maximum. Burstable pods have medium scheduling priority and can be evicted if the node becomes resource constrained. The BestEffort class includes pods with no specified CPU or memory requests or limits. They do not have guaranteed resources and are assigned the lowest scheduling priority. These pods are the first to be evicted when the cluster encounters resource pressure, making them suitable for non-critical or batch workloads. To summarize, guaranteed pods have equal resource requests and limits and receive the highest priority with the least eviction risk. Burstable pods have resource requests less than limits and hold medium priority, facing eviction only under pressure. BestEffort pods specify no resource requests or limits, holding the lowest priority and highest eviction risk during contention. In brief, the quality of service classes help Kubernetes decide how to allocate resources and prioritize pods. Guaranteed class ensures strict resource equality and minimal eviction risk. Burstable allows flexibility with medium priority and moderate eviction chances. BestEffort provides no resource guarantees and is the most likely to be evicted first. Configuring these classes correctly optimizes resource use and application reliability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.